Hiya, I'm Layla, a game designer. In today's video, I'm going to help you figure out whether your first game should be 2D or 3D. If you're just starting out and feeling unsure which direction to take, this will make the choice a lot easier. Let's dive in. First, starting with 2D is usually the best move for beginners. With 2D, you can focus on the fundamentals, movement, collisions, simple animations, UI, and basic coding without getting tangled in extra layers of complexity. Everything is more straightforward. No advanced lighting, no complicated models. You can learn core game dev skills without feeling overloaded, and that helps you actually finish your first project. Second, 3D can be exciting, but it also comes with more tools and systems to learn. When you step into 3D, you're not just learning gameplay, you're learning a whole workflow. You'll deal with modeling or importing 3D models, setting up lighting, working with materials and shaders, handling cameras in 3D space, and managing more advanced physics. It's not too hard, it's just beginner learning curve. If you're motivated and patient, it can be great, but for most beginners, it can slow process and make finishing the first game much harder. Third, no matter which one you choose, you're not on your own. There are tons of free assets online. You can find ready-made sprites, tile sets, 3D models, animations, environments, and more on sites like itch.io, Unity Asset Store, and Unreal Marketplace. So, if you're not an artist, you can jump straight into making a video game instead of spending hours trying to draw a character that looks like a potato. So, here's the bottom line. Start with 2D if you want a smoother learning experience, quicker results, and fewer technical barriers. Go with 3D if you're ready for a bigger challenge and excited to learn more advanced tools and systems. Both paths are valid. 2D just gives you a cleaner and easier starting point. Thanks for watching! I hope this helped you choose the right direction for your first game. If it did, feel free to drop a like or leave a comment about what you're starting with. I always love seeing what you're creating. And remember, in the world of creativity, the spark is always on. See ya!